Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Kanza. Today we are whipping up a delicious treat that's perfect for any meal, the Malai Boti Paratha Roll. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. First thing first, in a large bowl, take your 500 gram of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for that aromatic kick. Next, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Now spice things up with 3 tablespoons of green chili paste and make it creamy with 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt and half cup of cream. Mix all these ingredients together until well combined. Cover and let it marinate for 30 minutes. This will allow all those wonderful flavors to soak into the chicken. Step 2. Preparing the sauce. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine half cup of garlic mayo with 5 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 3 tablespoons of hot chili sauce. Mix well until everything is nicely blended. Set this aside. It's going to add a delicious kick to our rolls. Step 3. Cooking the chicken. Now heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter along with 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add the marinated chicken. Cook on medium flame, stirring continuously until the chicken turns a lovely creamish light brown. Once cooked, remove it from the heat and set aside. Step 4. Assembling the rolls. It's time to assemble our tasty rolls. Grab a tortilla or paratha and spread a generous amount of the delicious garlic mayo you made earlier. Next, add some sliced onion for crunch, followed by our malai boti. Now wrap it tightly. Make sure all those scrumptious flavors are sealed inside, and there you have it. Your Malai Boti Paratha rolls are ready to serve. Enjoy. This recipe is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try this at home. I would love to hear your reviews, so drop your thoughts in the comment below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.